is the simplest way to name a compound in an organic in inorganic chemistry. Look at how you are going to do it. For you to name a compound, just pick the first element. The first element here is what? Sodium. You write sodium there. You write sodium. This is how to name it. Sodium. The next number there is what? Look at this number at the what? At the subscript of what? Of oxygen. Like if it is this one, you know that the subscript of oxygen here is 3. While the subscript of oxygen here is what? 2. But if it is carbon 4 oxide, the subscript of oxygen here is what? Is 2. Okay? But look at this now. What are you going to do? You now pronounce sodium tri, because 3 is tri, 4 is tetra, while 2 is di. Okay? 3 is what? Is tri. While 2 is what? Di. Okay? Why 3 is what? Tetra. Why 4 is tetra mean? 4 is what? Tetra. Okay? That is how to name it. Oh yeah, let's continue. Sodium, since 3 is tri, you put what? Tri here. You put tri. You put what? Tri. Next element following, you now attach the next element following it. The next element following it is what? Is nitrogen. But since oxygen is attached to nitrogen, how are you going to pronounce it? At the end, you have what? 8. It will not be what? Nitrate. It will not be what? Nitrate. Nitrate. Okay? Nitrate what? This 8 here, this 8, ATE here, is showing that there is what? This 8 here is showing that there is what? Oxygen. Okay? So no need to put oxygen here. But the next one is this. That is the important aspect of it. If you have not watched my oxidation number, how to find the oxidation number of a compound, just go and watch it. The next number is to put the what? The oxidation number of that compound. Look at how to find oxidation number. What are you going to do? Just choose the middle element. Choose the what? The middle element. Just choose the middle element. The middle element there is what? Is nitrogen. So what are you going to do? It will now be what? The valency of sodium. Sodium, atomic mass of sodium is what? Atomic number of sodium is 11. While nitrogen, no, forget about nitrogen, because you are not using nitrogen. You are using both sodium and what? Oxygen. So oxygen here is also what? That means the oxidation number of sodium here is what? +1. While oxygen is always what? -2. Look at what I'm going to do. You now combine it. It will now be what? Sodium plus nitrogen plus oxygen, 3 times oxygen is equal to what? 0. Because it is what? Uncombined what? Uncombined state. What next are you going to do? This is +1. Put 1 here. Plus, since we are looking for nitrogen, which we are going to use to pronounce this to name this compound, that's what we are going to be finding. Plus 3 times oxygen here is what? -2 equal to what? Equal to 0. So nitrogen will now be equals to 3 times -2. We give what? We give him -6 plus what? Plus this 1 is equal to what? 0. So nitrogen will now be -6 plus 1. We give what? -5 equal to what? 0. While nitrogen will now be equals to -1 cross equation, -5 cross equation, it will now be what? +5. This is what we are going to use to complete the naming. Okay? This is what we are going to use to complete what? The naming. Look at how you are going to do it now. It will now be sodium trioxo. You put oxo. Trioxo nitrate. Nitrate. Put the oxidation number. The oxidation number here is what? Is 5. Put nitrate what? 5. Is it? You now check. Is it an acid? It's not an acid. So what are you going to do? It will now be what? Sodium trioxo what? Nitrate 5 oxide. This is the what? Nitrate. That is the what? The name of the compound. What of this caco3? This is nano3. This is what? Caco3. Use that the same method to pronounce this, to name this particular compound. Please don't forget to follow me for more videos like this. Thank you.